everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. So today we're going to learn how to create a pop-up on our website. If you're wondering what a pop-up is, so usually when you go on a website, you would see a pop-up that comes on your screen. Most of the time, it's for you to subscribe to their mailing list. So let's say you want customers that come on your website to subscribe on your mailing list. You're going to have to put on a pop-up on the website, and it pops up right let's say 1 second or 2 seconds after they come on the website. So let's go right ahead to create one. I'm assuming you're on your dashboard. So let's go to marketing and click on pop-ups. Right. It should bring you here. You can read this pop-up. You create a pop-up that displays when a visitor opens your website. So on this part of your screen, enable the pop-up, and this is a preview of the pop-up. Okay, so you can choose how you want it to look like. Can be like this. If you want it to be like this, then we're going to have to put an image here, and it could be an image of your logo or an image of maybe an announcement that you want to do. Let's say we're going to do just the simple one here, or the headline could be, maybe you want it in all caps, like join our mailing list here. These as well can be customized. You can change them here. So let's say you want the background color to be pinkish, or maybe you want it to be yellow. So let's say here you can do this. Okay, and then scroll up to the text color. You can change the text color, the background, the button background color, which is this as well. You can change it to maybe black or gray. Okay, and the button text color can't be, you need to look for a color that matches. Okay, so let's just say black. The input color can be, and this is the input color here between these two. You can make it black. Okay, it shows. The input background color can be, it can just be white. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Again, if you want to add an image, you can just change the layout, left stock, and then an image. You can select an image here from your laptop or your phone, and then it can be here. Okay, and then you can choose how you want them to look and all of that. But on this one, making it simple, so you're going to have to click on save. So now let's see how it's going to look like on our website. Okay, so you go to home, and then we're going to view the website. Okay, click on view websites, and then this should pop up. Let's give it a few seconds. Yep, here we go, we have it. So then your customers can put in their email address, and that way they've subscribed to your mailing list. And your mailing list, you can use it to send them messages or let them know of new arrivals or sales or special events as well. So let's go back here, and yeah, you can create, or you can change it as well. Okay, we do hope that this tutorial has been informative and insightful. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be available to answer. We'll see you on another video.